What's up, everyone? So I wanted to make another little optimization type video, and this one is how to lower your CPU processes. And I know a lot of you guys, have no idea that your processes take up so much like space on your PC. It's not even funny. So I will show you by opening up my own task manager and bringing it over on this monitor and showing you that I only have 116 processes open. And by the way, I'm so sorry for my voice. I am like still a little bit stuffy. I'm trying to, move on, trying to get as best as I can. So, yeah, I only have 116 processes, and you might honestly have more. Honest to God, you might have more. So, what you're going to start by doing is opening up your registry edit by doing, I already have it open, but hold on, I will show you guys. So what I do is I hit Windows plus R. Oh my God, I can't speak. And then I type in reg edit. Can't type. It'll bring up a little window. You just click yes. It popped up on my other monitor, so we just got to bring it over here. Now I will put the thing in the description. You can just copy and paste it into your registry edit. I'm not going to sit here and go through and say like, click this and then I will leave this in the description. Just paste it. Just do this, delete it, Control V or whatever, and there you go. And now you're looking for the CVC oh my God, holy God, bro. SVC host split. Y'all already know. Just double click it and then match it to your RAM. So I'll put up a picture on screen now of what you can actually so you can determine your RAM, and then you just type it in here and you click OK, and then that's that. All right. Now to determine your RAM, if you want to know your RAM, you can simply just open up your task manager, go to memory, and it'll show you right up here. 32 gigs of RAM is what I have currently at 5200 megahertz or MT, whatever the hell it says that. Anyway. So yeah, that's how you can honestly just, after that, you're going to want to restart your PC, but not yet. Next up, what you're going to want to do is go to your startup apps and turn off any unnecessary apps you don't need. Me personally, I do not need anything on, so I disable every single app on here. So if you would like to go through your own apps to disable and re-enable anything, go for it. Next, what you're going to do is go into the settings again, into apps, installed apps. Okay. Now you're going to want to delete any unnecessary apps. So like Cortana, for example, I know the family app. There's so much stuff that like you can delete. Like I have no idea where Steam came from. I'm just going to go ahead and uninstall that shit real quick. It was probably my sister, to be honest. So what you're basically doing is you're uninstalling things that you don't need. There's apps that Microsoft puts on your PC. Okay, well, never mind. I guess that doesn't exist. Microsoft puts apps as you can see, Microsoft Corporation. There's apps that you don't need that Microsoft purposely puts on your PC because it's normal, and just delete whatever you feel like you don't need. Like family, Cortana, camera, voice recorder, sticking. There's so many apps that Microsoft pre-installs on your PC that you just don't need. Now, here's another big thing that no one really does. Go to the 3 lines on any app that says advanced options. For background app permissions, put it to never. On every single app that you can. If I'm not mistaken, the next app would be MSI Center. Okay, advanced options, never on every single app that has that option. So like Notepad, never. You get the point. Putting all this stuff on never kind of helps your PC not have to run things in the background, and it really does help performance. I'm not even joking. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to want to load up services. And you're basically just going to, oh my God, it's on my other monitor. Holy crap. Okay. You're going to want to, wow. You're going to want to open up your services, and you're basically just going to want to disable any message, or not messages. Wow. I was reading the core messaging right here, and it just completely caught me off guard. You're going to basically disable any services you don't need, like For example, like I search for it every time I go in here. Print device or whatever. Anything that has to do with printing, I disable. You know, like print scan broker, printer extension, print spooler, print device, print workflow is for some reason still on. You just want to click properties, and if it doesn't let you, yeah, you get my point. If you scroll all the way down, there's actually like the only time you're ever going to need these Xbox Live stuff is if you play or download anything from the Microsoft Store, which me personally, I do not. So I like to basically disable the Xbox Live Authenticator Manager, the Xbox Live Game Save. I don't really want to, I mean, I could disable these just because why not? So that way they're just not really a problem. But you get my point. Just disable anything that you think you don't need. And from that point, you're good to restart your PC. You're good to do whatever you need to do. And your processes should be lowered. Oh, I almost forgot one last thing. Go once again into your task manager. Go to details and look at if there's any services or anything that you don't use and just end the process. Like I have a bunch of them, like some of them will pop up back again, like this Logi something services end process tree. And for some reason, yep, the same one will pop up or a different process will pop up. I just delete it or end it. And that's pretty much that. And then my next video, I want to teach y'all how to cache your RAM. That one is actually really easy to do. That's going to be a pretty easy one. And let me know if this worked for you guys. Hopefully it did. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.